Welcome to the Alchemist's Lattice, Atomic Rebirth. We're about to witness one of the most fundamental and profound transformations in material science. What truly defines the strength of steel? It's not just heat and pressure, it's a precise atomic transformation. Steel isn't born strong, it's engineered at the atomic level. Watch the moment iron changes its soul. We begin in darkness. This is ferrite, the cold, body-centered cubic iron lattice, holding its structure in a state of quiet stability. To unlock steel's potential, we must introduce energy. This is the moment of thermal activation, where stability gives way to kinetic chaos. A low-frequency industrial hum begins. The lattice absorbs the heat, starting to glow a deep, intense cherry red. Atoms vibrate violently with increasing kinetic energy, reaching temperatures around 1300 degrees Kelvin, preparing for a fundamental shift. The moment is here. The structure can no longer maintain its current form. The body-centered cubic must transform. In a mesmerizing, liquid metal-like motion, the iron atoms begin to slide and snap, moving from one coordinate to another. This is the precise transition from BCC ferrite to the more complex face-centered cubic, or FCC austenite. It is a rearrangement of space itself. The new structure is ready, but it needs one key element to become truly transformative: carbon. A smaller, amber-glowing carbon atom tracks into the newly created interstitial gap within the FCC structure. The atom slides home, creating a visual lock. This stable, carbon-rich formation is the birth of austenite. Why is this structural change so vital? It's all about accommodating that carbon. The austenite's face-centered cubic structure has larger, more frequent interstitial spaces than ferrite, allowing carbon to readily dissolve into the iron. This dissolved carbon is the foundational, critical step for the process that hardens steel into martensite, giving it incredible strength and utility. You have just seen the atomic rebirth of iron, where thermal energy and perfect geometry create the material that builds our modern world. As the atomic lattice stabilizes, the animation pulls back, shrinking the glowing structure into a finished, polished, high-strength crankshaft.